Okay, welcome to Practical 2 of the Panintelligence Training Course. Hopefully you've completed Practical 1 and we'll take on from there. So if I go back to my dashboard here, this time we're going to use the category selector to navigate to Practical 2. It's not quite as nice as the first practical because we're going to end up with an empty page. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn that into a nice looking layout. So we're going to use these two buttons up here, split top and bottom and split left and right. And that's going to allow us to create a nice little layout. And what I want are two charts at the top and one at the bottom. First chart at the top is going to be my call volumes by period. I can open the chart library by using the top right hand corner button, search for the chart and pick it. And I'll just keep doing that. So I'll click on the chart library. I'll type in this time my conversion history. I type that right, so I'll get my cancellation history. Select that and that will go into the top right hand corner. Again, chart library, select, I'm going to find my total commissions. So again, I'm going to start typing it. I could have scrolled down the list, but the easiest way is just to type it in and find it. And perfect, I've got a nice layout now with three charts on it, two at the top and one at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this chart, this layout look a little bit more complicated. So I'm going to go into here and I'm going to remove my bottom chart. And I'm going to start to create a layout down the right hand side here. So I'm going to split my chart cell up. Now if you look at the practical, one of the things that we want is we want two charts at the top and then two underneath it on the right hand side, which is why I first deleted the cell. Now the cancellation history I want in the bottom right hand corner. I can't drag and drop it, so I have to re-find it. So I go down to the bottom cell, find cancellation history and drop it in, and there it's there. I'm just going to repeat the process again for all of those different objects. So I'm going to find my total commissions, which are in there. I'm going to find the total sales by period. So again, just going to keep searching for these things. It's the easiest way to go and find them. So total sales by product. Again, finally, my chart list. I'm going to go in there and I'm going to find my cancellation rates. So I just need to type cancellation rates in here, select that, and again, I've got a nice layout now. Now, if I want to, I can use the drag bars. So just by hovering over these middle bars and dragging them, I can start to resize my charts so I can get them to lay out and look exactly the way I want them to do. As soon as I'm happy with it, I'm going to save that as a default layout. Now that means that that's going to be the layout for users to come to. It is their default layout. Once I've done that, to show you how the default layout works, I'm going to start to remove some charts from the page. So let me remove these top two charts. Now obviously I could re-add them, but easy enough, I can just go back to here and revert that to the default layout. Or if I'd wanted to, I could have saved that as the default layout. So as simple as that, you can split these chart cells up, swap and change them and do whatever you want with them. As soon as you're happy with the layout, little button tells you you can go and format that and turn it into the default layout. Okay, thank you.